Last class we discussed about the chemical sterilization. Complete? Yes? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today we discuss about the gram staining of bacteria. I think this topic is covered in your practical classes, but theory portion it is also in your theory class also. So I just thought I briefly discuss on this gram staining of bacteria. The gram staining of bacteria to identify by the microscope, but suppose one microorganism, how to identify? This is the basic protocol or basic very simplest protocol to identify the bacteria, whether it is a gram positive or gram negative. But the the actual name of the organism cannot be identified by this mechanism, by this test, but only whether it is a gram positive or it is a gram negative, that can be identified by the gram staining procedure. But another type of bacteria like acid fast bacteria, say for example Mycobacterium tuberculosis or Mycobacterium lepra, which are cannot identify by this staining procedure. Another procedure is available for, that is by the differential staining method. The first differential staining method. হ্যালো কৃষ্ণেন্দু, আমি আসতে পারছি না, সেটা ভালো ছিল না। Sorry. So in your practical, it is gram positive or gram negative. That will be identified by the gram staining procedure, and it will have nothing in your practical class, may or may not be. But what is the gram staining method? Is the differentiating the bacteria species into a two large group. One is the gram positive, another is the gram negative. The gram staining is the almost always the first steps in the identification of bacteria. Still now, it is the first step and very oldest and simplest method. Nowadays also another method is available, but still now it is a very dependable and very easiest method to identify the whether it is a gram positive and then the gram negative. It is valuable diagnostics tool in both the clinical as well as the research setting. So clinically, suppose one microorganism infected by you, and that microorganism it is a gram positive or gram negative. Depend upon this, you can choose of the choice. Doctor can choice easily choice the antibiotic. So clinically, it is very important whether it is a gram positive or gram negative, because you know it. Yeah, gram positive, what is the difference between the gram positive and gram negative? And comparatively, gram negative bacteria is much more fatal than the gram positive bacteria. Another also in research field, in research area also, nowadays so many microorganisms will come, basically and different bacteria will come. So what are the characteristic feature and how to identify it, and then how to kill the microorganism. So in your research nowadays, in case of CDL also, central drug laboratory, there every day they can cultivate them different types of microorganism, and what are the physical and chemical characteristics of the microorganism, then how it will be identified. And after that, so in this field there is a research is going on every day by day. Not only the bacteria can identify classified by this technique also, and this is a gram variable or gram indeterminate group as well. Okay, so these are the gram negative gram staining. It is a short history of gram staining. This method is named after the inventor of the Danish scientist Hans Christian Gram, who developed the techniques with working with the Charles specialists in the Mongo of the City of Hospital in Berlin in the year 1884, while examining the lungs tissue from the patient who had died of pneumonia. At the time, pneumonia is a very severe disease. If a person suffering from the pneumonia, the chronic or in the acute, there is a chance of mortality rate is very high. In case of COVID also, there is a initially first pneumonia, then the respiratory failure. So pneumonia is just such a disease, it will arrest the respiratory tract and finally death may be occurs. So in that time, it is very difficult to survive from pneumonia. So how to why it is happen and what are the microorganism involved for the pneumonia? In that case, you can then the gram staining, it is some bacteria will be present or behind this pneumonia, that will be identified by the gram staining procedure. So Gram had discovered that certain stain were preferentially taken up or written in the bacterial cell. So that's why he first discovered that the one bacteria which causes the pneumonia, and it will be identified by the staining, and from this its name was Gram staining, from the scientist name Gram staining procedure. Gram did not use the counter stain. That means counter stain, it is another stain. Generally second step, I can discuss in later on. So counter stain, it is a saffronin stain, but a Christian gram only use the crystal violet, the only the gram positive. So if you know negative, then it is obviously called it is a gram negative bacteria. Actually that's why I say initially he is not used a counter stain. Counter stain uses a saffronin for gram negative bacteria. At after that, so it was a few years later that the German pathologist Carl Wiegers that the Franklin added the final step of staining with the saffronin. This saffronin is called the counter stain. Why it is called the counter stain? Because first stain is the crystal violet, that is called the primary stain. Then another stain you can use it, that's why it is called like a counter stain. Say for example, when you attack, then another person can counter attack. Just like that, you can use the first stain like crystal violet by the Christian gram, that is called the primary stain. Then after that, an primary stain or crystal violet can only identify the gram positive, not gram negative. If the test is negative, then he concluded that it is in a gram negative bacteria, but it is not true. It is gram negative. See, maybe it is acid fast bacteria. So so Gram himself and now never used for the red counter stain like saffronin. Actually saffron is the red and crystal violet is the violet color or ginseng violet, in order to visualize the gram negative bacteria. Okay, these are the basic principle. You can remember it. It is, try to remember it, and you can remember it what the procedure for gram staining. It is useful both theory as well as the practical. Not only the theory and practical, but also it is help for the for any competitive exam or any interface the interview. Even in the microbiology stage, you can absorb in the CDL or that you can very helpful. After the class will be over, then I can give a information regarding the CDL and what are the importance of the pharmacist in the CDL. So first of all the bacteria, then the bacterial smear. Bacteria, that mean those bacteria can be identified. That will be first you prepare the smear. I think in your practical class how to preparation of a smear হয়েছে
না স্যার হয়নি এখন।
এখনো হয়নি। আচ্ছা, just a few things I can share with you. Just you prepare a culture media, either subculture or original to subculture. Then that microorganism which is present in the subculture, that microorganism which is placed on in the slides. Then use another slide to draw a thin film will be appears. Then it will be dry by air or by flaming. It is called smear. First preparation of smear, then it is called fixation of smear by dry heat or by using the flame. Just you above the flame, you can over the slides over the flame 3 to 4 times. Okay, and fix the smear. That is called the fixation. After that, this process will be going on. So bacterial smear will become in the slides. Then the crystal violet solution was added. Just this is a basic principle, and but details I discuss in the later on. So then after the crystal violet solution was added, that is the gram stained with a crystal violet, all the bacteria will be stained as purple color, because crystal violet is a violet মানে purple color. Okay, as actually color also given the crystal violet, that this color which this color will be produced, so violet color. All the bacteria will be stained as purple color. Okay, step by step you can remember it. If any question, any doubt, freely tell me us, otherwise it will be a problem. You can do not read through the books, you can just picture visualization, and after do a picturization in your mind. First you prepare a smear, then the fixation is the smear, then violet, crystal violet was added, and all the bacteria will be produced the purple color. Any doubt please ask me. Then the gram stain, এত দেরিতে আসে কেন ছেলেগুলো, নেক্সট ডে থেকে আর অ্যালাউ করা যাবে না। দেন গ্রাম iodine solution, gram iodine solution was added. What is the function of iodine solution? Actually, if it is a gram positive, then the iodine solution with crystal violet, they form a complex and a permanent color will be produced. But mind that if it is bacteria is the gram positive, otherwise it cannot be possible, it cannot be permanent color produced. Then after that you add some decolorizing agent like alcohol or acetone. Decolorization, third step you add alcohol or acetone, the cell will be decolorized, and while the some cell will be written in the same stain. That means if the alcohol or acetone used, the color may be discolored, maybe. If it is a gram positive, there is a no discoloration. If it is gram negative, then it will be a discoloration of teeth or decolorization agent. Okay, and next fourth step, then this saffron staining with the saffronin, or it is called the counter stain. How do you why? Because you use some stain, first stain, primary stain, then you use attack or stain with the other stain. That's why it is called the counter stain. Okay, understood? Why it is called the counter stain?
Yes.
তো যেমন আমরা we can attack, কাউকে আমরা অ্যাটাক করি, তো সে আবার পাল্টা অ্যাটাক করে, তাকে আমরা কি বলি? কাউন্টার অ্যাটাক, তাই না? তো initially
Yes, sir.
use the primary stain crystal violet, after that we can use the another stain, that's why it is called counter stain. So finally after the use of counter stain, then wash with the water. After that the slide placed under the microscope, and you can see if whether it is a purple color. If it is a purple color, it is gram positive. If it is red color, it is gram negative. Or sometimes some component are purple color, that is these are the mixed culture, that are the this purple color containing microorganism are gram positive bacteria, and in the saffronin dye or red color substance which are the gram negative. So it is a mixed culture. If it is all these red color, that means gram negative. If it is all the purple color, that is gram positive. If it is mixed gram positive or gram negative, then the color will be purple or along with red color. I think all of you understood. Yes, or any question?
Yes,
Understood? Any queries? You can just remember it, not go through the books. You can go just go through the books, but you can remember these are the steps involved. 1 2 3 4 step are involved, and then simultaneously in meanwhile every steps it will be washed by the tap water. There is no function, but these are the main function, main basic principle for based on the gram staining procedure. Okay, so these are, and you can remember it. What is the function of crystal violet, saffronin, alcohol, and iodine solution? And okay, so what is the function of crystal violet? It is acts as a primary stain for gram positive bacteria, and in case of gram negative, it is red color. And why use the iodine solution? To complexation. Actually iodine is a moderate, and alcohol is a decolorizing agent. Why alcohol is used and why iodine solution additionally used? So you can use only crystal violet, it is violet color to gram positive. You use saffronin, it is red color to gram negative. But why use this iodine extra and alcohol or acetone solution? Why? Because it is depend upon the variety of microorganisms, gram positive and gram negative. And in case of gram positive and in case of gram negative, there is some huge difference of the bacterial cell wall. In case of gram-positive, generally the peptidoglycan is the major component. So this peptidoglycan react with the crystal violet along with the iodine is complex with the crystal violet. So permanent purple color will be produced. Then you can confirm it, that is gram-positive. But in case of gram-negative bacteria, their cell wall is the composed by basically outer covering is the lipopolysaccharide. So most of the lipopolysaccharide, that means lipid in nature, that lipid was dissolved by alcohol, because lipid is soluble in the alcohol or acetone. So lipid portion, the lipid can be dissolved, the outer portion will be dissolved, then the thin peptidoglycan react with the safranin dye, that's why red color was produced. So that you can confirm it is a gram negative bacteria. So you can, so many questions will become from these slides for interview
স্যার
or competitive exam. হ্যাঁ
স্যার স্যাফরানিনটা অ্যাড করার পর ওই রেড কালারটা আসবে তাই তো? আর
হ্যাঁ,
ওই যেখানে প্রথমে ক্রিস্টাল ভায়োলেট অ্যাড করা হচ্ছে তখন সব ব্যাকটেরিয়া মানে বোথ গ্রাম পজিটিভ গ্রাম নেগেটিভ দুটোই পার্পেল আসবে তাই তো?
দুটোই পার্পেল আসবে, কিন্তু অ্যাকচুয়ালি এরপরে ওয়াটার দিয়ে ওয়াশ করা হয়, মানে প্রসেসটা আমরা ডিটেলস বলছি, এখানে আমি প্রিন্সিপালটা বলছি। প্রসেসটা হচ্ছে ফার্স্ট একবার ক্রিস্টাল ভায়োলেট দিলে ওয়াশ করলে, আবার আয়োডিন দিবে, আবার ওয়াশ করবে, প্রত্যেকটা জিনিস অ্যাড করবে, ওয়াশ করতে হবে। ফলে সেখানে কি হবে, প্রত্যেকটা পার্পেল কালার ইনিশিয়ালি হবে, কিন্তু যখনই ওয়াশ করে দেবে তখন কিন্তু যেগুলো গ্রাম নেগেটিভ আছে সেগুলো কিন্তু সবাই কিন্তু তখন হচ্ছে কি হচ্ছে, তখন হচ্ছে সবাই হ্যাঁ তখন সবাই পার্পল কালার হবে, কারণ তারপরে যখন অ্যালকোহল ইউজ করবে তখন ওটা ডিকালার মানে কালারটাকে রিমুভ করে দেবে, কেবলমাত্র যারা গ্রাম নেগেটিভ। গ্রাম পজিটিভের ক্ষেত্রে কিন্তু কোনো চেঞ্জ হবে না। ওকে,
ইয়েস স্যার।
হ্যালো, any question? So this is very important, why the crystal violet, what the function of crystal violet, what the function of iodine, and what are the function of alcohol, and what are the function of saffron, and the color of crystal violet. Today I think, remember it is a crystal violet, obviously is a violet color, but it is problem in case of saffronin, when saffronin red comparatively যদি এভাবে মনে রাখা যায় যে saffronin red মানে এটা যেমন crystal violet, obviously the color is violet if you do not having the practical. Okay, but this name can mind that it is violet color, but saffronin here also mentions the red color, but if his name is the saffron red, then you can remember it, it is a red in color. Okay,
ইয়েস স্যার।
so it is called the decolorizing agent. Another is the very important, and iodine is a called moderate now likhe raho moderate, or next slide we go through the. So these are the procedure. The first steps. First, initially crystal violet was added. All these cells are violet color. Clear? Hello? Actual
Yes,
line
sir.
thako. Okay. Next, you add the application of iodine. Confirm iodine দিয়েছে কেন? Because to complex formation with the crystal violet with iodine solution. Iodine কিন্তু so many different function in case of pharmacy, but here used as a different way, not as a anti-infective agent. It is used to complex with the peptidoglycan plus crystal violet. So application of iodine solution, and after the alcohol you can use, because some is the violet color and some are the discoloration. Okay, canon, because these are different, all are rod and spherical and rod shaped, both are violet, but when you use alcohol, the rod shaped bacteria they are discolor, only discolor. Why? Because their outer covering is the lipid, so lipid can soluble in alcohol, so they are discolorized, মানে purple color will be removed. Clear?
ইয়েস
Okay. Next you add the saffronin dye. আমি যেভাবে বলছি ইউ ক্যান রিমেম্বার ইট, প্র্যাকটিক্যাল করার দরকার নেই, মানে প্র্যাকটিক্যাল না হলেও কোনো প্রবলেম হবে না, মানে যদি প্র্যাকটিক্যালি না যাও, শুধু জাস্ট আর যদি খুলে যায় তাহলে জাস্ট দ্যাট উইদিন 10 to 15 মিনিটের মধ্যে প্র্যাকটিক্যাল উইল বি ওভার। অ্যান্ড কেন হচ্ছে না সবকিছু ইউ ক্যান দেখো, দেন ইউ অ্যাড দ্য saffronin dye, it is a red in color, দেখো red in color, then only the rod shaped bacteria will be red, another is the purple color. So these are the mixed culture. Actually এখান থেকে আমরা কি বুঝতে পারি, it is a mixed culture, both the gram positive and the gram negative bacteria present in the smear. Clear?
ইয়েস স্যার।
Understand অঙ্ক না মাইতি? মাইতি তো না, অঙ্ক না কি? Okay, next I go to the next slide.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so these are the very important aspects. It's a gram positive or gram negative bacteria. Sometimes the question will come, but if you multiple choice question, there is no need of gram negative. But what are the basic difference between the gram positive and gram negative? The outer membrane. The outer membrane is the very thick. In case of gram positive, it's a very thick peptidoglycan. Okay, this green color. And this peptidoglycan actually is consist of the N-acetyl muramic acid and N-acetyl muramic acid, NAC, and another acid. So ultimately, this peptidoglycan, which is the major component of the cell wall, and this peptidoglycan react with the crystal violet, they produce violet color. Okay, these are the these left hand side, it is a gram positive, and here the structure of gram negative bacteria. But in case of gram negative, it's thin peptidoglycan layer, but outer covering is the outer membrane, it is a lipopolysaccharide or periplasmic phase. It is a peptidoglycan, but it is a lipopolysaccharide. This red color, it is a lipid in nature, or this periplasmic phase, all are lipid in nature. So when you use alcohol, this portion will be dissolved, and finally this peptidoglycan will be appear, and then safranin will die, will be hello. हाँ हाँ हाँ, দেখো থাকবে এটা জানি, কিন্তু উনি কোন দিন কে আসতে পারবে না সেটা তো বলতে পারবো না, থাকে জানি। ওকে, so these are the basic difference, structural difference of the cell wall, and it is very important, you can remember it. I think Manushar elaborately discuss with you je what is the structure of bacteria. I can the comparative in case of nucleic acid and the cell wall, because depend upon the cell wall we can choose the antibiotics. What types of antibiotics, like say penicillin and cephalosporin are the antibiotics which are inhibit the cell wall synthesis, and ultimately the cell wall will be ruptured, and finally the microorganism will be dead. So the outer covering of the microbes or bacteria is very important. Their structural configuration in case of gram positive and in case of gram negative is very very important, and based on this knowledge you can very easily choose the which is the proper antibiotic. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next the four basic steps involved in the gram, these are the I already discussed. First of all, you use the gram crystal violet and gram iodine solution, then alcohol or acetone, then safranin. Okay, hit the smear. This is the steps. First initially this is the gram positive, this is the gram negative bacteria. First the fixation of smear. So initially first preparation of smear, how to be smear, then fixation of smear, then crystal violet all the crystal violet color, then the iodine solution was it, the purple color will be very strong, and then decolorized with the alcohol. These are the not decolorized, these are, but gram negative is decolorized. Then use the counterstain or safranin, that is it is violet. If it is gram positive, it is violet color. If it is gram negative, it is red in color. So finally all the process will be done, not the you use the initially gram crystal violet, use only gram Christian gram. At that time when it is violet color, it is gram positive, it is no color. All the, because there is very difficult, it is gram positive and gram negative. But after that the another scientist that use some safranin or counterstain, if it is red color, so after the process will be complete, then you can observe if it is violet color, it is gram positive, if it is red color, it is gram negative. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
মেয়েগুলো কি কিছু বুঝতে পারছে না, না মাইক বন্ধ রেখে দিয়েছে, ঘুমিয়ে পড়েছে নাকি? এই কি করছে এরা?
না স্যার, বুঝতে পারছি।
বুঝতে পারছিস? যদি প্রবলেম থাকে বলো। দেখো দিস উইল বি ইন এর প্র্যাকটিক্যাল ক্লাসেও রয়েছে, এটা থিওরিতেও রয়েছে, এবং আগামী দিনেও লাগবে। আমি বলছি কি কত কাজ আছে, এর ফাংশন আছে। এবং এর এই যদি কেউ ধরো দিস মানে সাবজেক্ট অনলি ওয়ান সেমিস্টার, বাট এই ওয়ান সেমিস্টারে মাইক্রোবায়োলজি নলেজ নিয়ে তুমি অনেক বড় চাকরি পেতে পারো, আমি বলে দিচ্ছি। এটা শেষ করে দিই তারপর বলছি। So be careful, be listen it. Not only my class, other faculty, you can listen very carefully. And microbiology in only one semester, but this subject can change your life also. দেখো দু চারটে ছেলের আমি লাইফ হিস্ট্রি বলবো কিভাবে চেঞ্জ হয়েছে। অনলি মানে এই ফার্মাসির হয়তো নলেজই লাগলো না, শুধু অনলি ইউ ক্যান ইউজ মাইক্রোবায়োলজি, দেন ইউ because a huge requirement, sometimes a one requirement in case of CDL and other microbiological laboratory to preparation of only media. So I can discuss later on. No? First of all, I can complete my class. ঋতিকো না, ঋতিকো না নেই, চলে গেছে। So what the procedure? Same thing. You're gonna not repeat again. Okay. It will wash with the saffronin with water, air and dry, and observe under the oil immersion lens. মানে in under the place of microscope, not you seen in your naked eye. Okay. মানে after the final step is occurred, then you can place under the microscope, oil immersion microscope. Then you can see it is whether it is a gram violet color, then it is confirmed it is a gram positive, or it is a red color, it is gram negative. Gram কি বললাম, গ্রাম নেগেটিভ। if the both the color is set, that means there is a mix আছে, both contain gram positive and gram negative. So first fixation and crystal violet and saffronin and decolorize the water, the same thing, that type of will be happen in the 10 micrometer in the A. Okay, so these are the gram positive. Or so thank you very much for listening. The another slide I can share with you better for differential staining. Just I can share with you, you can attach with this. I think uploaded all these slides here. So these are the introduction. Same stain. What is called stain? Now, stain is a dye used to color the living or dead organs. Okay, that is called the stain. Stain is used for living as well as the dead organelles. Okay, that is called stain. What is acidic? And different types of stain like acidic, basic and neutral. Acidic stain, negatively charged acid radical, important color or eosin or acid fuchsin, magenta green, nitrogen and Indian link, which are used in acidic stain. Basic, a positively charged. This is very important in your GPAD examination. What is the dye? Basic and acidic dye. Which dye is the basic dye and which is the in case of indicator also. In case of acid, the positively charged basic radicals combined with the negatively charged particle in the cytoplasm are given a color like hematoxyl, methylene blue, crystal violet. তার মানে crystal violet is a basic dye and Jensen violet also same, it is a basic dye. What is neutral? There is no pH, both the positive and negative charge impacted the different color and different component like Jensen stain or Leishmanian stain, Leishmanian stain and Wright stain. Okay. So staining method, this is the positive staining like the simple staining and differential staining. And the stain with a provide a color contrast but gives the same color to bacterial cell. Like chlorophyll method, this is the simple staining. I discussed with the gram staining, it is a simple, but the different staining which is impart the different color to different bacteria is called the different stain, and which contain more than one stain. It is called the gram stain, acid fast stain and pesal stain. Negative staining, Indian ink, that means where the cell remain clear or uncolored and the background is color. So it create a contrast to aid the better visualization of the image, just like যেমন Indian ink and nigrosin. First, if you prepare a smear, it is a distribution of the bacterial cell on the slides from the purpose of viewing them under the microscope method aseptically. All these process obviously in case of microbiology aseptically, a small sample will be culture is placed over the slide surface and this is then allowed to air dry, and the next step to heat fixation for to help the cell adhere to the slides surface, and the smear is now ready for staining. Clear? Or if any question, please ask me. Just
Yes,
you can
sir.
see the procedure. Okay, just here, one you take one slides, then one loop full of bacterial culture was placed over the slides, then the solution, then another slide you can save, and ultimately the film will be appear, then it will be fixation by the air dry or by heating. So the desensitization, the blue flames and the paraffin দরকার নেই, and the smear fixation by heating, the pass the air dried smear through the flame 2 to 3 times. Do not over it because it will be crack it, or and just over the flame. Allow the site cool before the staining, and methanol either another is the methanol fixation. So generally heat fixation is we can or unnecessary use a methanol, and methanol is a very toxic and costly. So you air dried and the heat is mainly applied, or otherwise you can use the methanol fixation. The place a air dried smear in the carpet jar with a methanol for 1 minute alternatively, and apply the smear with a methanol for 1 minute and drain the slides and allow to dry before staining. So what the process? Actually, you can you can prepare the smear, then you use the methanol, and methanol is a volatile substance. It will be evaporate, then smear will be appear fixed with the smear. Okay. Hmm?
Yes,
Next, this is the simplest method of staining. Just procedure to দেখিয়ে দিচ্ছি. Procedure to make a thin smear on the slides, and the heat fixation of the smear by passing the slides 2 to 3 times gently over the Bunsen flame with a smear, and pour Laufels methyl blue over the smear, or allow it to stand for 3 minutes. And wash the stand smear with water and air dried. Observe the smear first under the low power microscope 10x objective, and I think জানি না না you can control you can adjust the microscope. জানো প্র্যাকটিক্যাল করেছিল বায়োলজিতে, and the under the oil immersion microscope কে জানে? নাহলে একবার প্র্যাকটিক্যাল, ঠিক আছে, যদি প্র্যাকটিক্যালে না হয়ে থাকে কোনোদিন, মানে থিওরিটিক্যালি যদি কলেজে যদি না হয়, তাহলে আমাকে বলবে, আমি প্র্যাকটিক্যাল দেখিয়ে দেবো, আমার হাতে টাইম আছে, ঠিক আছে? যখন ক্লাস হবে আমার আর একটা দুটো চ্যাপ্টার আছে, আমি দুটোই পড়াবো, বাকি ওনারা বলছে পড়ে দিয়েছে, তো অনলি 2 chapters are left. I think IMVC test 1 class, and another is the animal cell culture. Okay, so observe the presence of the organism or cell, also the cell organ sample. Okay, simple staining procedure. This is the gram positive and gram negative procedure. These are the gram stain, I think you know. Okay. The gram staining was advanced by the Danish physician Hans Christian Gram. Okay, Lugol solution, absolute alcohol, these are the another which use the safranin dye. Okay, so these are the procedure, the gram staining. I think all of you, the lipopolysaccharide is very important. You can remember it. What is the difference between the gram positive and the gram negative? One is the gram negative, the lipopolysaccharide, and the gram positive is the mostly is the peptidoglycan. No lipopolysaccharide layer present in the gram positive bacteria. Okay. So these are the sides, these are the microscopic structure, the outer membrane, and this is the peptidoglycan structure. This is the cytoplasm, DNA, and ribosome. And in case of gram positive, this is pili villus. You can know it. I think better you know it. Cell membrane and the cell wall. Initially in the cell wall, but before the inside the cell wall on the cell membrane, a thin layer is present. Okay, clear?
yes, sir.
The simple step: the crystal violet and iodine solution, alcohol decolorizing agent, and safranin is a counter stain. Okay, so you can remember it, this method. You can write down this: the primary stain crystal violet, methyl violet, or Jensen violet, and mordant which are using gram iodine. So very important terms in the Lugol solution or iodine. What is called Lugol solution, or really use the Lugol solution? What is Lugol solution? Anybody can tell?
Sir, solution of iodine and potassium iodide.
হ্যাঁ, কত পার্সেন্ট? নাহলে কি করে লুগল হবে? Actually depend upon the strength of the iodine, different iodine solution. But in case of Lugol solution, what are the concentration of iodine? আমিই বলেছি মনে হয় দু একবার, strong solution of iodine, weak solution of iodine, Lugol solution, aqueous solution of iodine, তারপর হচ্ছে providone iodine, another is the decolorizing agent. So be very careful. You can which is the purpose. Okay, Lugol solution is the কত percent? How many percent? অঙ্ক না অঙ্ক না কেউ পড়ে না 5%. 5% iodine solution is called Lugol solution. Okay, so these are the primary stain. Okay, gram positive, gram negative, D-cyptolane result. Okay, another for your betterment gram staining. Okay, no problem. I think your কি বলে microbiological assay or microbiological assay complete na? It was covered by Manas Chakraborty. Hello, Manas sir?
Yes, sir.
No problem, kono any problem, because this is very another important aspects. যেমন gram staining is very important. Simultaneously, the microbial assay. Still now it is used, and in future it will be used. Another animal cell culture which is covered by me, which will be covered by me. But regarding the microbial assay, one question: if a person sit for the GPAT, each and every year 1 or 2 question will be come from the microbial assay, and in case of vitamin assay, so especially for the microbial assay, if you understand, then I give you one question on test on based on the microbial assay, or if you do not understand, please ask me, give a, if extra time will be given, then I take a one class, because very important, at least 1 or 2 pages it will be present in the Remington Pharmaceuticals or microbiology, especially for the Remington Pharmaceuticals. What are the what is microbiological assay, and which microorganism used for the assay for another microorganism, and what are the process, and what are the pH condition. So give here one chart, 2 to 3 pages, or only 1 or 2 pages in case of Remington Pharmaceuticals. And from this chart, every year at least 1 or 2 question, one question means 4 marks will be given. So you can remember it. Suppose tetracycline by which microorganism and which method. Generally 2 methods are applied, the method A and method B. So you can remember it, which microorganism by which method. So this, or you can match it. Suppose give you someone name of the microorganism and name of the, and some interesting one test is also in case of the typhoid test. What is the test of typhoid? Typhoid test এর নাম কি? To identify the typhi, salmonella typhi by which test? Oidal test, deep test, sick test, এই যে নামগুলো বললাম, you can remember it. Okay, so regarding the class, regarding the microbiology বললাম যে microbiology আজকে পড়ে ধরো কোনো রকম পাস করলে চলে গেলে, that is different issues, but it is very important in the field of, sometimes in CDL, one person taken initially, they are taken from the microbiologist, মানে BSc or MSc